sorry. Oh. Come on, wash.
Alright, cue some music.
Wash, wash.
Keep finishing.
Just go watch her later. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Dad and Heather have left me on my own. I'm supposed to be looking after the barbecue, but it's too cold outside and it's raining. Huh? There's nothing on it. Oh yeah, there's two. In the back. It's my burger. That is burger and a half.
Oh, so 2 people have 3.
What? But on an adventure.
The way to the beach.
There's our campsite.
Although it just looks like a cliff.
And there's our beach. No, not really.
I think it will be once we
Get my bushes. Got my wellies on. What time is it?
20 past 7 in the evening.
PM. It looks like a bit of a trek. It's further away than I remember. Woo. It's windy.
Cricket freaked me out, man.
Ow.
Go up to these pebbles.
We just walked all that way.
Hiya.
What's that doing? What does? He thinks it's a picture.
Doesn't matter, it's a squash and go in my welly. Oh, someone put them off, they're not as long as the
Yeah!
as far as I'm going to see the rest of the holiday.
Yeah!
Watch yours not be waterproof. Just soak it up.
Yeah!
Right, stop it now.
How lovely. Lovely. It's just lovely.
Come over there.
Huh?
The island.
Listen to it. Raining. I want a cupcake. Come here, I feel weird, like people think I've never been to a market before.
I feel like you've never been to a market before. I stop at the crappy stands.
Crappy stand.
Well,
None of it's crap.
high quality shoes and
I bet I can find some.
bicycle stuff.
Yeah. Heather, be the tour guide.
Where are we next?
Well, we are here.
See, I don't know that at all. I don't know.
We're at 7. We're in the Great Hall.
Well, 8, 9, 10, and 11 are out there.
Okay then. What a great guide you are.
Go.
8 is the Elizabethan extension. 9 is a root with a root. 10 is working with nature. And 11 is the ghostly 8.
Stop spoiling it for us.
Will we rush the... Oh, that's the name again. Elizabethan extension.
Yeah. Ooh.
This is 8.
Where? It says 9. Oh, 8.
This is the extension that was added on in the Elizabethan times.
I've got most of it, but it's still going to stand.
So tell me to remove this that you fish spin a hole in it.
It's all the grease or whatever there.
Come here. Yes.
There's a hand for sale. That's right. Heather does have
I don't want it.
I just want to eat all my M&Ms.
Who dealt then?
Me.
Heather. Loads card.
Low's card. 7 of spades. No. 4 of hearts. Oh, there's a start.
Come on.
Wait, let me just check. I can't see all my cards. 7 of spades. Ten of hearts. Oh, sorry, Jack of hearts.
Let us play.
Nine
Oh,
of
it's
club.
too hot.
It's too hot.
I want it to be like, so you don't even have to worry if there's a wind, or you don't have to, shall I take my cardigan?
Yeah. We're on another beach. Another day, another
I'm
beach.
not too sure if it's pebbles or sand yet, because we refused to actually look at the beach.
It looks like pebbles to me.
Yeah,
It's like a desert.
so, Emma,
What?
can you see that vast expanse of water right
Yeah,
in
if you
front
don't
of
look at the water, it looks like a pebbly desert. Dad's gone. Where has Dad gone?
He's like,
He went up that hill.
which hill?
That one.
I thought it might be a car. That's why I said I was going to kick off.
He's I think he's gone looking for somewhere for us to have a
restaurant.
for our
So
tea.
this skates, is it just see my glasses? No, still glittering. Looks like we've been having our photos taken by paparazzi.
Shimmery.
The sun's better day.
So Dad, are you enjoying the holiday so far?
Yes, I certainly am.
My part being creepy.
What's been the best part of the trip?
Being here with my 2
I
children.
knew you'd say that, did you hear me?
I knew he'd say that.
Because
Because what else could it be?
I love how the face looks like that. I did that yesterday and I proper hurt myself.
What's been your favourite place to visit?
Amroth so far.
This place.
Yeah,
Do you stand off? I was going to say, this is my favourite player.
What?
it's really nice.
It is, but
Quite. I might move here.
we've only been here
When I
10
retire.
seconds.
Yeah, exactly. It's the best 10 seconds of the whole holiday. It's just warmer.
I liked, although it was windy, I liked Freshwater West,
Where was that? Which one was that?
where they filmed Harry Potter. And
No,
Definitely.
no, it's frozen.
yeah, but it was still nice. I had a nice lunch.
And Dad beat me in a race.
Oop. Ow. Having our lunch of corned beef and ham and cheese and onion crisp sandwiches, which Dad cut into a triangle for me. It's in my face, Mom. Get off me, go away. Who off?
I hate it.
How is it?
Delicious.
How's yours now?
Gorgeous.
I got scampi. Doesn't look as impressive. There we are.
I stopped eating them from away. Drunk me out too much and now I feel sick. Full. That's just getting started.
Last night of Wales 2010M. What's your feelings on the matter before I get to my car?
It's alright. Sad, but happy to go home tomorrow.
Dad, give a smile for the camera. One final smile. That's
creepy.
peaceful. You can't see him shaking the camera. Let's watch it. Oh,
Let's watch.
fail.
Smooth. Miles and miles and miles.
Stick your head out the window like a dog.
It's like really wide but it's not long, so it's like
I'm joking, you can see facing up here.
oh, it's so cute. I want to touch it a little bit, but at the same time it makes me sick.
Don't throw it at us or something.
Oh.
Look at Dad's face and just kill him.
Oh, so cute.
If I touch it, I'll run away. Look, you want to just poke it?
Oh, put it in the. Oh, should we just leave it?
That's not big enough. Bye, Whitewell Holiday Park.
More big tents. There.